How to change username on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your username on Instagram step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the option labeled as edit profile. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the username field. And after that, you simply have to delete your current one and type your new username. And here, if it's available, you will see a green or blue check mark icon at the top right corner. So simply tap on it when you're done creating your new name. And that's it. Once you do that, your new Instagram username will be changed instantly. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.